Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop of WordPress Basics with Screen Reader. So this is one of the most demanded workshop. Welcome to the first video of VI Tech Academy. Accessible Computing is now named as VI Tech Academy due to some reasons. If you want to know more details about this, follow our social media pages. In this workshop, we will learn the step-by-step process to create a WordPress website using Screen Reader. I'll try to discuss as much as details as it is a workshop come training, so please stick to the workshop till the end. And don't forget to let me know your opinion time to time into the comment section. But before starting, I wish all of you happy World Disability Day 2023. In this day, our special gift for you is free WordPress Basics with Screen Reader workshop. In this workshop, I will use Windows 11 desktop computer along with Brave browser and NVDA latest version. You can use any browser, any computer, any version of Windows and any version of NVDA. But I always recommend you to use the latest version of NVDA and any well-known browser such as Chrome, Edge, Brave, Firefox, etc. Now, this is completely for computer users, but you can also use the WordPress mobile app to create the websites. If you need more details about that, drop a comment into the comment section. Now, without any delay, let's start this wonderful workshop. What is WordPress? WordPress is a free content management system or a free tool that helps you to create websites with no code. If you are interested in developing or designing websites but you don't have any programming knowledge, so this is the chance where you can easily create websites with the help of this tool. We have also a course called WordPress Mastery with Screen Readers, but this is for those people who are not able to afford that course price. You'll also get an idea how WordPress works. So if I just want to brief you how WordPress works, then WordPress is a tool where you can find the options to create pages, posts, and once you create a page, you can write the content and your page is ready. You don't need to write the HTML code and save that, then upload to the server, then manage the server or create PHP files, databases, and so on. Okay, so now I have opened the browser. Let's see how you can create an account on WordPress. To create an account on WordPress,
address and
I'm typing here wordpress.com.
Word.rnpress words of selection remove wordpress.com selected.
I assume that you are a screen reader user and you know how to use browsers, so I'm not going to repeat the simple or the general steps. If you are not familiar with the browsing with NVDA or any other screen reader, please take some trainings from somewhere and then come back to this video, because this is not for very basic users. Okay, if you want that type of workshop, like how to browse the internet, just drop me a comment below. We will try to create one for you. Okay, now here the title is
WordPress.com Black Friday. May
now Black Friday sale is live while I am recording this workshop, but in future you may not get this thing. So WordPress.com is the site name. So to create an account, press H here,
main landmark WordPress. Your way.
press down arrow,
Build and grow flexible. Visited link. Get started.
click here,
Create a site.
and now it will ask you to create an account.
Clickable banner landmark.
Now I'm pressing H.
No next heading. Link. Banner landmark. Button. Continue with Google.
Continue with Google.
Button. Continue with Apple.
Continue with Apple.
Button. Continue with email.
Continue with email. If you continue with email, then you need to create the account using your email, password and all. But I am using
Button. Continue with Google.
Google. So I'm pressing enter here.
Untitled. Brave. Sign in. Google accounts. Brave. Sign in. Google accounts.
Now I'm signing in with my Gmail account.
Heading to continue to list with 2 items. Link rattle basak. Link ratulbasak.me@mail.com.
Let's say I'm choosing this.
Blank. Google. Create a site. WordPress.com document. Button. Continue with Google. Button. Continue with Apple. Button. Continue. Button. Button. Continue with Google. Blank.
Now see,
Link back. Banner landmark. Heading level 1. Choose your domains.
choose your domains.
Find and claim 1 or more domain names. Search landmark. What would you like your domain name to be? Edit search. Menu button.
So now when it comes domains, you can buy a domain or you can use a subdomain which contains WordPress.com. Let's say you can create a domain such as abc.wordpress.com, or you can buy a domain abc.com, abc.in, whatever. In this workshop, we will use the free subdomain, and when you practice these things, I also suggest you to use the free domain. Whenever you go premium or go for professional, then you can buy a domain. Now I'm pressing down the row. Let's see what are the other
The
options.
best names are short and already own a domain. Connect your domain purchased elsewhere to your WordPress.com site through mapping or transfer.
Okay.
Button. Use a domain I own. Blank. 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 Button. Already own. The best names are short. Menu button. Collapsed
Okay.
sub-menu filter.
Filter.
Search landmark. What would you like your domain name to?
So here you need to enter the domain name. So let's say we are working with the technology and all. So we are giving coding accessibility.
O-C. C-A. Coding accessibility. C-D-O-C-O-D-I-N-G-A-C-C-E-S-S-I-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Out of spelling error. Button. Close search. What would...
Let us check.
Coding
I'm going down.
Button. Best alternative. Button. Free for the first year. Button. Deleted rupees. Button. Button. Select. Button. Heading level 3. Coding accessibility.wordpress.com.
Yes, this is available. So I'm selecting it.
Button. Free. Button. Button. Select.
Just click here.
Selected.
Now domain is selected. Now I'm pressing B.
Coding accessible. Select. Blank. Button. Continue. Button. Choose my $0. 1 domain. Button. Remove. 1 domain. Button. Free. .com. Free. Coding accessibility.wordpress.com. Free. Button. Remove. 1 domain. $0.
Okay, so now I'm pressing tab.
Continue button.
Click and continue. You can find this at the end of the page.
Object has been selected. Object.
Now see,
Link graphic banner land available plans to choose from table. with
available plans.
Column 2 banner landmark heading level 4 personal. Column 3 banner landmark heading level 4 premium.
Okay.
Column 4 banner landmark heading level 4 business. Column 5 banner landmark heading level 4 commerce. Column edge of table heading row 3 deliver an unmatched perform. Row 2 banner landmark heading level 4 enterprise. Column 3 banner landmark heading level 4 premium. Column row 3 get a taste of the world's most popular CMS and blogging. Column 2 create your home on the web with a custom domain name.
Alright.
Column edge of table get a taste of the world's most popular CMS and blogging software. Column 2 create your home on the web with a custom domain name. Column 3 build a unique row 2 column 6 out of table with 9 rows and 6 columns. Row 9 columns out of table button compare plans.
Compare
Link
plans and
graphic
all.
back. banner landmark heading level 1. Choose your flavor of WordPress. Radio button not checked. Pay monthly.
Pay monthly.
Radio button checked. Pay annually.
Pay
Table
annually.
with 9 rows and 6 columns. Caption available. Plans to choose from. Row 1 column 1. Column 2. Column 3 popular. Column 4 best for devs. Banner landmark graphic WP cloud logo. Column 5 banner landmark graphic WooCommerce logo.
Okay, so this is a quite tricky to choose the plan.
Column 6 banner landmark
See.
graphic edge. Column 5 row 2 banner landmark heading level 4 commerce. Row 3 create a powerful online. Row column 2 banner landmark heading level 4 purse. Column 1 banner landmark heading level. Column 2 banner landmark heading level 4 personal. Column 1 banner landmark heading level 4 free.
So I'm choosing free. I'm pressing enter here.
Row 6 start with free button.
Just press tab once you listen free. So then just you need to press tab.
Start with free button.
Start with free.
WordPress.com clickable.
So now see, I'm going to top.
Banner tell us what would you like to accomplish with your website.
Okay.
Select all that apply. Checkbox not checked. Write and publish. Checkbox not checked.
Write and publish.
Write and
Okay.
checkbox sell online.
Sell online. If you want to sell the online, then it will give you more things which we will not discuss today.
Checkbox not checked. Promote myself for business.
Promote myself for business.
Checkbox not checked. Get a website built quickly.
Get a website built quickly.
Premium. Checkbox not checked. Import my existing web. Checkbox not checked. Import my existing website content. Check other.
These are premium.
Button continue.
So just click on continue.
Button continue. Button
see.
back. Banner landmark blog name optional. Edit site title. Blog
So
name,
site title.
la-
Here I'm just giving
learn blank.
coding.
Oh, see. Coding.
Accessibility. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Tagline. Edit in a few words. Tag.
So tagline here I'm using learn
Learn. Code. Double.
code with accessibility.
Button continue.
Then continue.
Button back. Button skip to dashboard. Banner landmark heading level 1. Nice job.
Now it is the dashboard. See.
Heading level 1. Time to get creative. Don't worry. You heading level 2. Draft your first post. Start writing and build an audience. Button start writing.
Start writing or
Heading level 2. Watch blogging videos. Learn the blog. Button start learning. Heading level 2. Choose a design. Make your blog feel like home.
now you need to choose the design.
Button view designs. Blank. Blank. Blank.
But design part is you can leave it.
Button back.
Okay.
Button skip to dashboard.
So skip to dashboard.
Nice job. Now it's time to get creative.
Just press enter. Skip to
Heading
dashboard.
level
See.
1. Turning on the lights. Heading level 1. Making it beautiful. Heading level 1. Personalizing your site. Blank. Clickable banner landmark link reader.
See, this is the WordPress dashboard. Now, this is how you can easily create the WordPress account. In the next part of this workshop, we will see the interface of the WordPress. Now let's see how this WordPress dashboard looks like.
Link my site.
So first is link my site. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Link reader.
Reader.
Link right.
Right.
Link graphic my profile.
My profile.
Button help. Link manage your
Help.
notifications. Navigation landmark.
Manage your
Button skip
notifications.
navigation. Link my home.
My home.
Link stats.
Stats.
Link highest hourly views 0.
Highest hourly views 0.
List with 1 item collapsed. Link upgrades free.
Upgrades.
Out of list link my
free.
mailboxes. List with 1 item collapsed. Link posts.
Posts.
Out of list link media.
Media.
List with 1 item collapsed. Link pages.
Pages.
Out of list link comments.
Comments.
List with 1 item collapsed. Link feedback.
Feedback.
Out of list with 1 item collapsed. Link jetpack.
Jetpack default plugin which we will not discuss in this workshop.
Out of list link WooCommerce.
WooCommerce. It is useful for if you're creating a website for e-commerce. So if you want that part, you can comment below. If possible, then we can make.
List with 1 item collapsed. Link appearance.
Appearance.
Out of list link plugins.
Plugins.
List with 1 item collapsed. Link users. Out of list with 1 item
Users.
collapsed. Link tools. Out of
Tools.
list with 1 item collapsed. Link settings. Out of list visited. Link
Settings.
collapse menu. Link add new site.
add new site.
Main landmark heading level 1 My Home. You're up for posting, editing, and growing your site.
Okay.
Link visit site. Heading level 2 Next steps for your site. Busy indicator. Launchpad checklist list with 5 items. Button unavailable. Graphic task button unavailable. Set up your site. Link graphic task complete. Link select a design. Link graphic task complete. Link choose a plan.
Okay.
Link write your first post. Link graphic task enabled.
Write your first post.
Button launch your site.
Launch your site.
Button graphic task enabled.
So these are some promotional things also there. We will not touch all these things. Now our site is created. Let's see, I'm opening the same site in a new tab.
See. Cutting accessibility. Dot. Word. Coding accessibility.wordpress.com selected. Coding accessibility. Learn code with accessibility. Link skip the toolbar. Coding accessibility. Learn code with accessibility.
Now this is our site front end.
Link reader. Out of list clickable unread. Clickable comments. Clickable likes. Out of list with 3 items. Graphic time. Today. Graphic clickable unlabeled graphic to get missing image graphic info.
Okay, so this is our site which we have created using WordPress. Now in the next part of this workshop, we will see how you can create a post and publish your own post to this site. Now let's see how we can create a post. So like Blogger, in WordPress you can create content in 2 types, either pages or posts. So now we will see how you can create the posts. Both are almost same. So if you know how to create posts, you can able to understand how to create pages. So we are in our WordPress admin dashboard.
My home coding accessibility WordPress.
Okay, here I am pressing down arrow until I find post options.
Menu but link graphic my profile button help link man navigation visited link my home link stats link highest hour list with 1 out of list link my mailboxes list with 1 item collapsed visited link posts.
Posts, right?
Out of list link media. List with 1 item collapsed visited link.
So collapsed. It's now collapsed. So I'm pressing enter to expand it.
Expanded.
And you will get few options. I'm using down arrow.
List with 4 items visited link all posts. Visited link add new post. Link categories. Link tags.
Categories, tags.
Out of list link.
These things you will also get.
Visited link add new post.
Okay, so now
visited link all posts. Visited link add new post.
Add new posts. So let's say I want to add a new post. I'm pressing enter here.
Main landmark. Add new post coding accessible. Add a post title edit focus.
Now your focus moves to the title of this post.
Add a.
So let's say here I am typing
numlock 10
programming languages.
Languages. You should learn in
2024.
SH 10 1 Z space 1.
So I'm choosing this 5.
5 programming languages you should learn in 2024.
Okay, so this is our blog title. Now I'm in the forms mode of NVDA. While you are working, you must use the forms mode. Sometimes you also need to use the browse mode. So you have to understand when you should use which mode. And that can only be possible with the practice. It does not mean just watching this video or watching this webinar and you will be an WordPress expert. But you can start creating your site and you can follow the tutorial or follow this webinar and you will get the idea how to use the WordPress. Now if I press down arrow, see,
should learn in 2020. Start writing or type / to insert a block.
Start writing or press / to insert a block. Now what is block? In every web page we know there are elements like headings, paragraphs, lists, etc. right? So in WordPress every element is like a block. So if you want to add a paragraph, first you need to add a paragraph block. Then you need to write the content. So by default if you start typing here, then it will look like the paragraph. But before starting any content, we must have a heading. So we can easily add a new block and then we can write the content. So we want to add the heading block. To add a new block, you need to find the block inserter toolbar. To find this, if you are NVDA focus mode, I mean NVDA forms mode, then press Shift plus Tab, or it's better to press Escape once, go to top,
Out of
press B until you get that button.
one help main document tools undo button redo button on document redo document overview toggle button not pressed collapsed save draft but review
Listen
menu button collapsed
carefully.
save redo undo but tools menu button collapsed sub menu toggle block inserter toggle button not pressed collapsed
Okay, press enter here.
block library region
The search box will open. Here you can type the search and press tab to get the result. Otherwise, you can press tab.
tab control blocks tab selected one of
Here are 3 tabs available: blocks, patterns and media. We will discuss only the blocks tab, and sometimes we may discuss about the media tab, because as we are using the free version, so we have some limitations. So I'm pressing tab here.
blocks property page text heading level 2 text list paragraph media heading
Okay, so I'm pressing tab again.
text list paragraph 1 of 16
Now see, paragraph, I'm pressing right arrow.
heading 2 of 16
Heading. So I want to add the heading. There are more elements available. You can explore by yourself, as we have a limited time, so we can't show you all the things. So I'm pressing enter here.
one block added
So it says one block added, which means one block added. Now the block is added just below the title, because last time our focus was there. So whenever you add a new block, the block will be added at the bottom of your page element. If you want to change the block position, you can do that. We will show you. So now I'm pressing escape key twice to come out of this dialog box.
editor top
Now see,
toggle block inserter
I'm in the block inserter. Now I'm pressing tab until I get the title option.
public set jet help options menu blank clickable main landmark frame main landmark section focused editor settings region list with 2 items post but edit help toggle button jetpack toggle button
Now there are so many options available, so you may get confused. So for this, I'm pressing escape key once, and I'm going to top,
out of
press E.
main landmark frame clickable main landmark editor content region editor canvas frame add a post title edit multi-line
Add a post title. So this is my edit box where I left before going to the block inserter tools or block inserter toolbar. So I'm pressing enter here, or you can use
editor content
NVDA key like insert plus spacebar. Now see,
add a post title edit focused multi-line 5 programming languages you should learn in 2024
right? So if I press down arrow again, listen carefully.
should learn in 2024 5 programming languages you block heading document multi-line editable heading
Heading block multi-line editable document. So here you can write whatever you write, it will go under the heading block which we have just added. So let's say I am adding one thing. Introduction. Okay, so let's say I'm adding introduction. Now if you want to change the label of the heading, what you do, press shift plus tab,
introduction add new post coding accessibility heading menu button
heading menu. Okay, so this is the menu for this block. Now if you press a right arrow, you will get so many options such as
align menu button collapse
align. This is for the heading align, not the text.
change level menu button collapsed
Change
menu
level. So if you just want to change the level, press spacebar here.
the heading 1 radio menu item not checked 1 of
1 is not checked, so if you press spacebar here again, it will be checked, or else you can press down arrow to find other labels like this.
heading 2 radio menu item checked heading 3 radio heading 2 heading 1 radio menu item not checked
So I'm choosing this.
main landmark editor content region block tools toolbar change level menu button collapsed sub
Okay, so now I'm pressing right arrow again. See,
align text menu button
align
collapsed
text.
sub menu change text
So if you want to align your text to the center, just press spacebar here. You will get the option and you can do that. Let's see.
Align text left radio menu item. Align text center. Align text right radio menu. Align text center.
So I'm choosing
Main
center.
man.
Okay.
AI assistant menu button collapsed sub menu.
So some AI assistants submenu or AI assistants available. I don't know whether it's free or not. So if you want, you can try this, or if you want, we will show you. Then drop us a comment section. If you are interested, then we will talk about this later.
Bold toggle button not pressed.
You can bold that heading.
Italic
You
toggle
can
button
italic
not
that heading.
link toggle button not
You
pressed.
can add a link to that heading.
More menu button collapsed sub
Then
menu
more
displays
menu.
more block tools.
More block tools available. So I'm pressing spacebar here.
A footnote 1 of 10.
A footnote.
Highlight not checked.
Highlight.
Inline code not checked.
Inline
Inline
code.
image 4 of 10.
So these things available, which are a little bit advanced. So if you want to know more about this, you can just drop us into the comment section, or you can join our WordPress mastery course, where you can learn more detailed about the WordPress. Okay, moving to the next, which is to add another block by using the slash option. I'm pressing tab once.
Section. Section focused off screen.
Now when you listen these things, just press spacebar here once. Now
Editor canvas frame. Add new post coding
See.
accessibility. More menu button. Editor canvas frame. Document blank. Section. Add a post title. Edit multi-line.
Add a
5
post.
should learn it. 5 program introduction.
this is the heading.
Introduction. 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 Blank.
Now I'm pressing end and press enter.
Empty block. Start writing or type /.
Now an empty block is created. So as it is empty block, so we can easily type whatever we want, because that will look like paragraph. Okay, so let me type something.
Hi. All. Empty block. Start writing or block, comma, LLA, space. All. Space. Empty block. Start writing block, comma. Space, comma. This. Post.
In this post
We
we will
discuss about 5 most important languages you should learn.
So this is how you can easily write the paragraphs. Then if you want, you can add another heading. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the steps because they are same which we have done. Now this is the way you can easily publish, create WordPress website and publish a post with a heading, paragraph, or any other things. We have already done these two things like heading and paragraph, and if you want, you can add more headings and paragraphs, then your post will be a good one. Okay, now if you want to add the image, then what you will do, just add an image block and then upload the image from your computer, and it is very easy. Now we will see, we will add an image which we have created for another purpose, another image. So let us try with that image. For that I am pressing end and press enter.
Empty block. Start writing or type forward.
Now instead of going to this block inserter, I am just pressing slash here.
Block paragraph. Initial 9 results loaded.
Paragraph 9 results are loaded. To access these results, press up arrow and down arrow.
List image 2 of 9.
Image. So we need image. I'm pressing enter here.
Upload an image file. Pick one from your media library or add one with a URL. Block image document. Upload button.
Now see, upload button is here. Or you can use right arrow.
Select image menu button.
Select image menu. If you have the images in your library, then you can easily add images from there. So I'm pressing tab.
Insert from URL toggle button.
Insert from URL. Okay.
Select image and add new post coding access. Edit select image men upload button.
So upload button. If you press tab and shift tab, you can access these options. Now the image tab or image block is added. Here I am just uploading another image, uploading an image, not another image, uploading an image and show you how it works. So I'm pressing enter here.
Open dialog. File name.
And it will open the standard dialog.
Androids.
Let me choose.
Items view list. Trade software 8 of 12. Items view images. Items view. Brand achievements. QR web gallery for BFCF WPB earn.p WPB sample.jpg 7 WPB earn.png 6 of.
So there is a WPB earn.png. Let me choose this. I'm pressing tab.
Name files open button alt.
Click on open.
Edit post coding accessibility WordPress.com Brave edit post coding document focused read only blank.
Now I'm checking my focus.
Blank.
I'm using down arrow.
Add a post title edit multi-line 5
Down arrow.
should learn 5 block paragraph languages you should learn block image document blank.
Image document blank. Now I'm pressing spacebar here. Now it is activated the blocks mode. Okay, then I'm pressing right arrow. Nothing. I'm pressing shift plus tab.
Add new post coding accessibility image menu button.
Image menu. So now the image is added, but if you want you can add the captions. Like I'm pressing right arrow. Let's see what are the options. It is similar to heading menu. I mean heading options. While we have added the heading, we have received all these options.
Move up button, move image block from position 3 up to position 2.
So move up means if you press enter or spacebar here, this will be go up and the paragraph will be go down after the image. So I'm pressing spacebar here.
Move image block from position 2 up to position 1.
So you can get all the announcements from the screen reader. Now I'm pressing right arrow.
Move down button, move image block from position 2 down to position 3.
Okay.
Apply do it and filter menu button collapsed align menu button
Align,
add caption toggle
add
button
caption.
not pressed.
So if you want you can add the caption.
Insert link button collapsed.
Insert link, you can add the link to the image. Okay, so if you press enter here,
expanded URL combo
URL
box collapsed apply button
and
attachment page 2 of 2.
Attachment page, if you want to attach any page then you can attach or
URL combo box collapsed required as autocomplete editable.
So you can enter the URL then click on apply.
Link settings button collapsed.
So you can do the link settings also. If I press enter,
expanded. See. Open a new tab.
Open a new tab.
Checked. Link rel edit blank.
Rel.
Link CSS class edit as autocomplete blank.
So you can choose the CSS class. Okay. So I'm not going to deep in the CSS part or CSS class because that is very advanced part of WordPress. We are discussing only the basics of WordPress. So see, the creating of this video is not to teach you WordPress step by step because this is not possible in just a single video within 20 minutes 30 minutes, but it will give you an idea how WordPress works and how you can start learning on your own. Okay, now I'm pressing tab.
URL combo box collapsed.
Okay, I'm pressing escape key.
Main
So this is how we can easily create posts with text, headings, images. Now how you can give the color? So color you can find easily whenever you are editing, like say for example I'm going to this paragraph part.
Editor can block paragraph document multi-line.
Yes, so I'm going to press shift plus tab.
Add new post coding accessibility. Move up but move down. Align text menu.
Align
AI
text.
Assistant menu. Bold toggle button
AI
not
assistant.
pressed. Italic toggle button not pressed. Link toggle button not
Link.
pressed. More menu button collapsed sub menu display.
More menu.
Block options menu button collapsed sub menu.
Options. So in options you will see this things.
Grouping. Copy 1 of 4.
Copy.
Duplicate. Add before control plus
add
alt
before.
plus T. Add after control plus.
Add after.
Grouping. Copy styles. Paste styles 2
Space
of 2.
styles.
Grouping. Group 1 of 6. Lock collapsed. Create
Lock,
pattern
create.
collapsed. Rename collapsed opens dialog 4
Rename.
of 6. Move to 5 of edit as HTML 6 of 6.
So you can also edit as HTML. If you press enter then this block will be an HTML block. So you can write the HTML code. So if you know HTML code then write your page in HTML and add the HTML block from the block inserter tools and just paste the code. It will be easier for you as a blind people.
Grouping. Delete Shift plus Alt plus Z.
Okay,
1
so you can delete the blocks by pressing this key, Alt Shift Z or Alt Shift Z.
Main.
Okay, so these are the available options for your posts. So if I want to
Editor.
see, if I want to check whether the other options are available or not, so I'm pressing tab.
Add new post coding accessibility. Post button focus.
Post button and
Block selected.
block. So there are two tabs like post button and block button. If the block button is selected, then you can work on the blocks like add a block, then write the content on the block. If the post button is selected, I'm pressing shift plus tab.
Post button.
Now I'm pressing enter here.
Post selected.
Now I'm pressing tab key.
Block button. Close settings button.
Close settings.
Summary heading. Summary button expanded.
So summary is there. So under summary you will find some options. So for that I'm pressing down arrow. Nothing works. So I'm using my NVIDIA to go to browse mode. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Visibility.
Visibility.
Button collapsed. Select visibility. Public.
Okay, public.
Publish. Button collapsed. Change date immediately.
Then you can change the date from here.
Template. Button collapsed. Select
Template.
Single posts.
Single posts.
URL. Button collapsed. Change URL. Cutting accessibility.wordpress.com/p equals 10.
So p equals 10. This is not good. The URL. Okay. We will not discuss about the URL right now because there's no time, I think, to discuss these things.
Checkbox not checked. Stick to the top of the blog.
Stick to the top of the blog means it will be always available at the top of the blog. Okay.
Checkbox not checked. Pending review.
Then pending review.
Post format.
Post
Combo
format.
box collapsed. Standard.
Standard. Post format is standard. You cannot change.
Author. Combo box collapsed. Rattle Bassag.
Author. My name is there.
Button unavailable. Switch to draft. Button move to trash.
Move to trash.
Heading level 2. Button collapsed. Newsletter visibility.
Newsletter visibility. Okay, this is a little bit enhanced features.
Heading level 2. Button collapsed. Graphic jetpack logo.
Okay, so jetpack, it's about the plugin. So we will not discuss about the plugin here.
Heading level 2. Button collapsed. Excerpt.
Excerpt. So excerpt is a brief summary you can write if you press enter here. See,
Expand. Write an excerpt.
I'm pressing
Optional.
down arrow.
Edit multi-line.
Write an excerpt. Now I'm using the browse mode only. Okay, now I'm using the browse mode. When I will go back to the forms mode again, I'll tell you. So here you can write a brief summary of your post which will be visible to the search engine. While any people will search, they will get this and you may get more clicks. Not only this, there are more things related to SEO which I am not going to reveal right now because there is no time. Again, I am pressing down arrow.
Out of edit link. Learn more about manual excerpts. Opens
Okay.
and toggle button not pressed.
So you
Advanced
can
AI
learn more
options.
AI options.
Desired length. Desired length slider 50.
Desired length.
Desired length spin button.
These are some extra options which we should not touch right now. So once you are done with the posts
Set
and
the
all,
desire how AI works. Button unavailable. Discard.
so see, you can
Button
check all these
unavailable.
things.
Accept. Button generate. Heading level 2. Button collapsed categories. Heading level 2. Button collapsed tags.
Okay, then categories and tags part are there. So if you press enter here, you can create the category.
Heading level
Let's
2.
say
Button collapsed categories.
I'm pressing enter here.
Expand categories grouping. Out of grouping. Heading level 2. Button collapsed tags. Button
Okay,
categories grouping. Checkbox not checked. Uncategorized.
uncategorized is selected.
Out of grouping. Button collapsed. Add new out of group out of grouping. Button collapsed. Add new category.
Press down arrow once, you will get add new category. So when you press enter, it will ask you to enter a name and then you need to click on the create button or add button, then the category will be added. Also you can access the same categories and tags from the categories and tags which is available under the post collapsed options. Okay, so the difference between categories and tags are like similar post to find the similar post and categories are used to categorize the posts. Okay, so let's say you are editing a post or you are writing a post and after writing you publish the post and this is under the let's say you are writing about the C programming. So there are categories like C, C++, Java, Okay, now if you want to use the tag, let's say you have discussed about the benefits of C programming, so you can give like benefits of C programming, features of C programming. This could be the tags which helps your audience to find related posts. I hope you understand. If not, then you can search on Google or you can ask me into the comment section also. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Heading level 2 button collapsed tags. Heading
Tags,
level 2
the
button
same
collapsed
thing.
featured image.
Featured image which you can add. The featured image will be shown when this blog will be shared or when this blog or this website will be visible to the Google. Okay, so you should try these options. I'll just show you the options available here. If you are stuck somewhere, if I got many comments about the things, then we will try to make more videos on this WordPress things, only this WordPress.com things, whichever we have discussed today in detail, so a little bit detail. Okay, so this is how you can easily create the post. Once done, just go to top, press B until you hear publish button.
One men help button, mainland document, tools menu, undo but redo but document overview, save draft button, preview menu button collapsed, publish button collapsed.
So press enter here.
Expanded, editor publish region.
And now press down arrow.
Button cancel.
Cancel.
Button publish.
Publish.
But are you ready to publish?
Are you ready to publish?
Double check your settings before publish. Okay. Coding accessibility. Heading level 2 button collapsed visibility : public.
Okay, so these things are available which you can access by using your up arrow and down arrow. I'm pressing up arrow.
Double check. Are you ready to button publish?
Click on publish.
Unavailable. Post published button.
So our post is published. So this is all about how you can create posts using WordPress. So as WordPress has lot of features than Blogger, so it is not possible to cover all the things in the single episode or single part. I have a plan to make more videos like this on WordPress. So if you want to get those videos, just do one thing. I aim 100 likes and 1K views of this video. If this video meets all these things, we will definitely upload the second part of this workshop, where we will discuss how to create pages, and we will also discuss little more about images, settings and other things. So that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Hopefully see you soon, and you will definitely reach the target amount of likes and views. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.